Hey everyone, AWESMR Kids here, and today we're gonna be experimenting cutting open some more toys.
Yeah!
This time we'll start off with a different color mesh ball. I really like the color combination of this green and blue mesh ball. As you can see, when it's left alone it's green, but when you squeeze, these blue bubbles pop out.
Whoa, why won't this bubble go away? It made a fart noise.
Never heard that before. You never know what to expect when it comes to these things. Anyway, these mesh balls are so much fun to play with, and they won't pop no matter how hard you squeeze. See? So, we're gonna have to use some tools to get it open. Let me use my scissors to get it out of the net first. So here's our mesh ball without the net. It looks totally different when you squeeze it now, but kind of cool in its own way. Alright, time for the good part. Let's get the slime out. I gotta make sure to be very careful when doing this. Whoa, look at all the slime who's out. Wow, I really love the blue color. Let's cut our mesh ball open some more to get all the slime out. So here's our mesh ball inside out, and there's the button they used to fill it with slime. Alright, let's play with the blue slime some more. It's way oozier than our other mesh ball, but way messier too. Alright guys, time to open some FashEms and mashems. Our first victim is... kind of looks like Buzz Lightyear. Oh, it's the Joker! Whew! At least it's the bad guy we're opening up. He looks like he's filled with a lot of water, so this should be interesting. Here goes nothing. Whoa! He exploded with water! Woo! Our next FashEm is...
oh, a Disney princess!
It's Belle from Beauty and the Beast! Sorry we're doing this, Belle, but we're curious what's inside. She feels like mostly rubber, and I can't squeeze her like the Joker, so let's see. Yep, she's basically just rubber. No water in this FashEm. Our next FashEm is... no, Dory! She seems like she's filled up with a good amount of water, so let's find out what's inside. Whoa! Definitely a lot of water in this one. It wouldn't have been fitting if a fish-shaped Fashem didn't have water in them, right? Time for our next Fashem. It is... Oh, Princess Aurora.
Sorry.
Okay, but let's find out if she's just like Belle and basically just rubber. Man, these Fashems are tough because they have so much hair. Sorry, Sleeping Beauty. Didn't mean to chop your hair off like that. But that concludes it. No water in these Disney princesses. Our last Fashem is Doc McStuffins. Hey Doc, I think you're gonna need a visit to the doctor yourself after this. Oh, looks like there's a little bit of water in this Fashem. Yep, just a little bit. Our Joker Mashem definitely had the most water though. Our last toy we'll be opening up is this gross rat-shaped splash toy. Just like our mesh ball, this thing doesn't pop. You can throw it as hard as you want on the table and it'll just stick to it. We're gonna need some tools to open this toy up. Whoa! It's squirting like a water balloon! Looks like this rat is just filled with a ton of water. Here he is all empty. Looks like he lost a ton of weight. He was a bit cuter when he was fat and chubby though. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.